show you how to make a little cute type of snack thing that you could bring anywhere and no one will know that it's a snack. So we're going to start with taking Cheez-Its or whatever you want, and you're going to put it into a plastic bag as so. So you only need to put one in, and then you're going to close up the bag. You're going to make sure all the air is out. Then you are going to wrap it in tin foil. And try to make holes where the two parts of the tips of the bag are, so you could poke ears out of it. So do not cover those pieces of tin foil. Try to hold it over everything else but that. And if it has some air in it, then you'll have to blow it out. So with these little creatures, you can bring them anywhere, you can make them cute, play catch with them, do whatever you want. Very simple to make and fun to play with. So then she's going to take a Sharpie, and you can make eyes or whatever you want. Eyes and nose. And I think that's it. And let's see it. It's the mini, whatever you want to call it. Eyes, nose, whiskers. I think this one's a cat. And who knew there's a snack in there. You can play catch with it. You can do whatever. So that's how you make these. And bye.